Hi guys, this is Word Book Day and I'm going to read you a story. It's called Bear Snores On. In a cave in the woods, in his deep dark lair, through the long cold winter sleeps a great brown bear. Cuddled in a heap with his eyes shut tight, he sleeps through the day, he sleeps through the night. The cold winds howl and the night sounds growl, but the bear snores on. An inty-binty mouse, pitter-patty, tip-toe, creep, crawl in the cave from the
More there.
from more than in the cave from the soft cold snow. Mouse squeaks to jump too dark. So he lights wee twigs with a small hot spark.
Next page.
The cows pip pop and the wind doesn't stop, but the bear snores on. The mouse sits, we slurp, here burns big burps, but the bear snores on. A bagger scuts by, snuffs at the air. I smell yummy,
Yummy yums. Yummy yums.
Perhaps we can share. I've brought honey nuts, bagger says with a grin. Let's divvy them up, cozy down and dig in. And they nibble and they munch with a chew crunch. But the bear snores on. A gopher and a mole tunnel up through the floor, then a wren and a raven slip in through the door. Mole mutters, "What a night! What a storm!" Twisted wren, and everybody clues in the great bear's den.
Louder.
What's happening now? They tweet and they titter. They chat and they chitter. But the bear snores on. In a cave in the woods, A sleeping bear sleeps through the pretty party, his very own lair. Hare stokes the fire. Then a small Peter flag makes the bear. He blows and he sneezes, and the whole crowd sneezes. Roar! Achoo! And the bear wakes up. Bear grins and he snares. Bear roars and he rumbles. Bear jumps and he storms. Bear growls and he grumbles. You snuck in my lair and you all had fun. But me, I was sleeping and I have nod. And he whispered and he mars and he went and he groans. And the bear bumbles up. Mouse squeaks. Don't first look. See, we pop more corn. We brew more tea.
Here.
Bear grumbles. He sighs with delight. Then he spins tall tails through the last night. When the sun picks up on a crisp, clear down, the bear can't sleep, but his friends snore on.
Okay, is that finished?
Yeah.
The end.
The end.